Lucky you guys, you're getting 2 tequila cocktails in a row. The next one is the Tommy's Margarita, created by Julio Bermejo at a restaurant called Tommy's in San Francisco. According to Robert Simonson, it came together over the course of a decade, so there's no exact creation date available. The Tommy's Margarita was the restaurant's flagship margarita, put on the menu by Bermejo, and what made it so special is that he took out the orange liqueur from the classic margarita and replaced the simple syrup that you'd get in modern recipes with agave. And boom, a legend was born. So first thing we're gonna do is cut a lime here. This is a rather large lime. Just run the lime wedge on the outside of the glass like so. I don't like to take the lime, put it like this, and then rim my glasses like that and get it everywhere. I like to just have it on like half or a quarter of the glass on the outside of the glass, and then you can decide whether or not you want to actually consume the salt. I like to have the salt because salt enhances flavor in cocktails the same way it does for food. All right, so then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna lightly roll it into our kosher salt here, like so. And honestly, I like to make sure that it's nice and even, and I like to have nice clean lines, so you see how it's kind of messy here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take like a clean rag, and I'm just going to draw a nice clean line, making sure not to get any inside the glass. I don't want any in the glass. So then you see we have a really nice clean salted glass here. We'll put that aside. And then into a shaker, we're gonna do 1 ounce of lime juice, and then ½ an ounce of agave. And then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of reposado tequila. And we're using the La Gritona, which is a really good, awesome, love it, tequila. I like to do my Tommy's on a big old rock, so we're just gonna do a big old rock right in our glass like so. And we're gonna shake our cocktail and give it a shake. And then give it a nice strain. And the traditional garnish for this particular drink is a lime wedge. So if you want to add a little bit more acidity to your drink, you can. So there it is, the Tommy's Margarita. Here we go, let's take a sip. But you know what? The drink is perfect as it is. Really heavy on the lime. The agave does such a good job balancing that lime out. And then of course you get the reposado tequila. The reposado tequila replaces Blanco in this drink. And so you get those barrel notes. It's a little bit more interesting. You get a little bit of those barrel flavors. And of course you get those nice agave flavors from the tequila. When this drink was created, the margarita that was kind of widely available in restaurants was that same margarita that had no simple syrup in it and just got its balance from Cointreau or some other type of orange liqueur. And that just doesn't produce a very balanced cocktail. The margarita, the original one, is in the Daisy family. Daisies are sours that get their sugar content from liqueurs as opposed to from syrup. And those drinks have always been a little bit too tart. So what Bermejo did here was that he added in sugar content to give the drink more balance, but what's really nice is that he added in agave, which is just made from the same stuff that tequila is made from. And so it all just comes full circle, right? It is a fantastic drink, and I'm really not surprised that it became a modern classic. So there it is, the Tommy's Margarita.